Tectonic plates. Tectonic plates, also known simply as plates, are large, rigid pieces of the Earth's lithosphere that move and interact with each other on the semi-fluid asthenosphere beneath. The lithosphere is the outermost layer of the Earth, consisting of the crust and the uppermost part of the mantle. Tectonic plates can vary in size, ranging from large, continent-sized plates to smaller ones. These plates are composed of both oceanic and continental crust, with the oceanic crust being denser and thinner than the continental crust. The boundaries between tectonic plates are dynamic zones where significant geological activity occurs. The theory of plate tectonics describes how these tectonic plates move and interact with each other, leading to various geological phenomena such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, mountain building, and the formation of ocean basins. Major plates are Pacific Plate, the largest tectonic plate, covering most of the Pacific Ocean basin. North American Plate, covers most of North America, including the United States, Canada, and parts of Greenland. Eurasian Plate, encompasses Europe and Asia, extending from the Atlantic Ocean to the Himalayas. African Plate, covers the African continent, including parts of the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. South American Plate, encompasses South America and parts of the Atlantic Ocean floor. Antarctic Plate, covers the continent of Antarctica and extends into the surrounding Southern Ocean. Indo-Australian Plate, includes the Indian subcontinent, Australia, and portions of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Minor plates are Juan de Fuca Plate, Caribbean Plate, Philippine Sea Plate, Nazca Plate, Arabian Plate, Cocos Plate. Scotia Plate are just a few examples of minor tectonic plates. There are several other smaller plates and microplates that contribute to the dynamic processes of plate tectonics. The movement and interactions of these plates at their boundaries give rise to various geological phenomena. There are three main types of plate boundaries: divergent boundaries, convergent boundaries, and transform boundaries. Divergent boundaries, plates move away from each other, leading to the formation of new crust. This occurs at mid-ocean ridges, where magma rises from the mantle to create new oceanic crust. Convergent boundaries, plates collide or come together, resulting in subduction, one plate being forced beneath another, or mountain building. This occurs at locations like oceanic-oceanic, oceanic-continental, and continental-continental collisions. Transform boundaries, plates slide past each other horizontally, causing earthquakes. The San Andreas Fault in California is a notable example of a transform boundary.